Welcome back to my channel. Today we got a video with sunglasses. Now I have reviewed this brand before. It is Sojo. I do have a code. The code is only good for a month. So when you see this video, make sure if you want any of these, go ahead and get on the site and get them while you can. I love them. They're affordable. They're very reasonable. They're super cute. And we are going to get into what they sent me. They sent me 5 pairs and I am going to show you all of them. This first one is called Vintage Triangle. I can't read it, but it's cute. So let's open it up. This is what it comes packaged like. Very well packaged. You get the cleaner, towel, and a bag to put your glasses in. And the glasses come like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and take these sunglasses out of its package and see what they look like. Okay, these are the glasses. I really like them. I think they're very chic looking. So let's see. I really like these. Wasn't sure that I would like them this much, but I do. I think they're really cute. And these are all unisex sunglasses, so it doesn't matter who you are, you can check them out. All right, the next pair we got is rectangle glasses. These have black frames and gray lenses. Don't really have the name, but I'm pulling them out. All right, so this is the next pair. You can see my ring light, sorry about that. That is the next pair, and I think I like these too. Like, I'm really impressed. I wasn't sure that I would like any of these that much, but I do. I did, you know, they sent me a list of glasses to pick out. I picked them out. There's that. So let's see, this next one is round polygon Polaroid. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think I've gotten these pair before. I'm not sure, but they are really nice. I do really like them. I'll show you what they look like on. As you can see, very unisex, very much so. Anyone can wear them. I think they're cute. They actually go with this outfit too. This is the next pair. These are wire frames again. I got, the first one was kind of a mix. The plastic frames, wire frames. Second one, plastic. Third, wire. Fourth, wire. These are nice too. I think they frame my face very well. I mean, again, I am very impressed by all these. Wasn't sure how I'd think of any of them, but I am very impressed. All right, here is the last pair. It is a plastic frame pair. And honestly, the plastic ones, ooh, that is cute. Not what I expected, but I think it is cute. But the plastic frames to me are a lot more durable than the wire frames, even though wire frames tend to be more popular. You know, to each their own, I suppose. But that is all the glasses they sent me. I think they are all super cute. I love them all, and I am incredibly thankful to be working with them again. Again, the code is down below in the description. I think I'm going to go ahead and pin it and put the length of how good the date is, whatever, so you can check that out and use that and save yourself some money. Even though, like I said, these are very affordable and very much, you know, cute. Very cute. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below your thoughts on these glasses, which pair you like the best on me. And if you want more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.